Before you invest your first dollar into any business, answer this honestly. Do you know what your first month will actually cost you? Not just the big expenses, but the hidden ones too. The software you forget about, the small tools you subscribe to, the marketing money that slowly drains your account, the emergency that no one plans for. Most people only calculate what they can see, and that blind spot quietly destroys their budget. In this video, you are going to uncover every hidden layer of startup cost using a real calculator with real numbers, so your business does not fail because of surprises. You begin with the first section, Business Basics. You enter the business name as Swift Digital Solutions. Then you select the currency as United States dollar since this tool supports global users. You choose the business type as online and select the medium budget scenario. This step may look simple, but it builds the base of the entire calculation. Once this is filled, the tool understands what kind of business you are planning and in what financial environment you will operate. Now you move to one-time setup costs. These are the expenses you usually pay once while starting the business. You enter $300 for registration and legal, $500 for domain and website, $1,200 for machinery and equipment, $800 for office setup, and $0 for security deposit because this is an online business. You can also add custom one-time costs if your business needs special licenses or tools. This section reveals the true cash required to open your business doors. Next, you enter monthly fixed costs. These are the non-negotiable expenses that repeat every month. You enter $0 for rent, $2,000 for salaries, $120 for software subscriptions, $150 for internet and utilities, and $100 for professional fees. These expenses exist whether you make sales or not. This section clearly shows your minimum survival cost. Now you enter monthly variable costs. These expenses change based on business activity. You leave raw material at $0. Enter $300 for packaging and logistics, $180 for commissions and gateway fees, and $100 for travel and fuel. As your business grows, these numbers change. This section shows how your operational pressure increases with scale. Next, you reach the marketing and branding section. You enter $200 for logo and branding as a one-time expense, $600 per month for ads, and $250 per month for search engine optimization and content. Marketing is the fuel of your business, not a waste of money. This section shows how much power you are giving to your growth engine. Now you move to inventory and stock. You enter $1,500 for opening stock value and $200 per month for warehousing and storage. This section is extremely important for product-based businesses because inventory locks your cash. The tool shows you clearly how much money is stuck inside stock at any time. Next is the human resources section. You enter $350 for hiring and training, $150 for uniforms and tools, and $100 per month for staff allowances and bonuses. Many entrepreneurs forget to calculate people-related expenses properly. This section shows the real financial cost of building and maintaining a working team. Now you enter the financial safety section. You add $2,000 as an emergency fund reserve and $400 for insurance. This section protects you during slow months and market shocks. Without this buffer, even small problems can shut your business down. This part brings long-term financial stability into your plan. Next comes funding and loans. You enter $6,000 as your own investment, $4,000 as loan amount, 10% as the interest rate, and 5 years as the loan tenure. As soon as these values are entered, the tool automatically calculates your monthly EMI. This instantly shows how much financial pressure the loan creates on your monthly cash flow. Now you reach growth planning. You enter $3,000 for future expansion and $1,500 for reserved marketing scale-up. Most people only plan to start a business. Very few plan to grow it properly. This section forces you to think beyond survival and prepare your business for future scale. Now you scroll down to the analysis dashboard and click on Recalculate All. Instantly, the tool displays your total one-time startup cost, total monthly burn rate, 6 months operating capital requirement, total capital required, daily expense to survive, and risk score. This dashboard shows your complete financial reality in one clean view. No emotions, no assumptions, only clarity. With one single click, you can print the full startup cost report or save it as a PDF file. This is extremely useful for sharing with investors, partners, banks, or simply keeping for your own financial discipline. It transforms your business idea into a professional financial document. If you want to calculate your business startup cost without confusion, you can get this tool from our store. The checkout link is available in the video description. Get access now for just $9 and build your startup with clarity, not confusion. Thank you for watching, and you will see the next level of planning in the next video.